GE Supreme Kitchen and Bath Silicone provides durable, mold-resistant sealing for tub and shower applications. For tub and shower use, the product offers a formulation designed to tolerate constant moisture and direct water exposure while maintaining adhesion to smooth, non-porous surfaces such as ceramic tile, glass, and finished acrylic. Apply to clean, dry joint surfaces after removing old caulk and any soap scum with a 90% isopropyl alcohol or an acetone-based cleaner for best bond. Cut the cartridge tip to match the joint width and use a steady backhand movement while applying consistent pressure on the caulking gun to avoid gaps and voids. Tool the bead within 5 to 10 minutes using a wetted fingertip or a tooling spatula to compress the sealant against both sides of the joint and create a concave profile that sheds water. Allow a full cure time of at least 24 hours for light exposure and up to 7 days for continuous water immersion before heavy use. The product resists delamination and water intrusion and carries a lifetime mold-free guarantee when installed per manufacturer guidelines, which reduces the frequency of maintenance cycles. Common issues include poor adhesion caused by surface contamination, which you prevent by thoroughly cleaning and fully drying the joint. If adhesion fails, remove the bead and start over after proper surface prep. Another frequent problem is tool marks, uneven beads, or excess product, solved by cutting the nozzle appropriately, maintaining steady gun speed, and tooling immediately for a smooth concave finish. Finally, premature failure from moving substrates can happen when the joint width exceeds the product's movement capability, so select the correct joint size or incorporate a properly sized backer rod to limit movement and ensure the silicone stretches within its designed range. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to these product choices and installations. We also host a discussion community where we, our members, and professionals exchange tips, installation experiences, and product recommendations.